Welcome to Traction.com. In this video, we will show you how to take advantage of the Quick Order feature. To add items to a quick order, you must log into your account using your user ID and password. The Quick Order tool is located in the upper right corner, in the menu. This feature allows you to add parts quickly to a cart when you already know the exact part number, that is, with all proper punctuation signs in the right place. The 3-letter vendor code that precedes the part number can be omitted. Please note that if no quantity is entered when a part is added to the cart, the default quantity will be the smallest sales factor for that specific part. When you see a price in red, this shows that the part is on sale, so you can stock up at a lower price. You'll notice that for parts for which environmental fees or core charges are applied, these fees are listed per unit in the price column, and are then multiplied by the desired quantity in the total column. To confirm the specifications of a particular part, click directly on its description and you'll be taken to its product page. This way of adding parts is ideal when you have a few parts to add, or when you leave the Traction.com site open all day and add parts as the need arises. It is important to select Add to Cart before changing pages, otherwise your added items will be lost. You may want to quickly add a parts list to your basket without adding the parts individually. This can be useful, for instance, when you have prepared the purchase order in your system and are able to export it. You can then easily upload it to Traction.com. You must then select Upload CSV file. A CSV file can be created from an Excel spreadsheet. To do so, enter Traction's exact part number in the first column, and the desired quantity in the second column. Once the Excel spreadsheet contains all parts to be added to your quick order, you must save the file as a CSV file. To do so, go to the File menu. Then, select Save As. You can then save your file with any name you'd like, and choose the saving location as you usually do. Then, you must select the drop-down menu on the right of the file type, and select CSV UTF-8. Then, click on Save. Once the file is ready, we will return on Traction.com's website. Then, select Upload CSV file. From the pop-up window, you can retrieve the file that you've saved previously. You'll then be taken to your shopping cart page, where you'll see a message telling you that the import has been successfully completed. If products could not be added, you will also be notified. On this page, you can check product prices, see if some items are on sale, and make sure that your required quantities are available. If you're not ready to place your order and want to save it for later, you can select Save this cart. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to rename the cart and provide a description. Saved shopping carts can be retrieved in your own shopping cart by selecting Saved Carts, or in the My Account menu by selecting Saved Carts. You can save as many carts as you wish, there's no limit. In this video you have learned more about using Traction.com quick ordering feature. You've also seen how to save a shopping cart so you can return to it later and modifying your saved carts. If you have any questions or would like additional help, please email us at info@Traction.com. Happy shopping!